Hello and welcome to my 2-minute tutorial all about no paint gel stain. I found this super cute little wood chair at a local thrift store. It was in great solid shape, but definitely needed a makeover. Let's learn all about no paint gel stain. Before you begin, you must clean and degloss your surface using White Lightning, Pristine Clean, or TerraClean. This will ensure that any dirt, oils, and debris is removed from your piece. Don't forget to rinse with water. No paint gel stain is an oil-based gel stain that provides deep, rich coverage for any furniture surfaces. Stain can be applied with a lint-free cloth, a paintbrush, or an applicator pad. You can easily apply your stain using your applicator pad and wipe back any excess. I like to work in the direction of the wood grain. Using a color darker than the existing wood finish, it's easy to cover any blemishes, stains, or marks. You can apply as many coats of gel stain as you like to deepen and darken the existing color. Using the applicator pad, I covered the entire surface of the chair. After applying full coverage to my chair, I waited approximately 72 hours before applying my gator hide as a top coat sealant. You can use any of the Dixie Belle top coats. I like to use gator hide because of the beautiful sheen that it leaves on top of the wood. Dixie Belle's No Paint Gel Stain is currently available in 8 beautiful colors. Thanks for joining me on my quick 2-minute tutorial.